Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, east central Will County in northeast Illinois, northern Lake County in northwest Indiana until 4:15 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Manteno and moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Peatone, University Park, Cedar Lake, Frankfort, Park Forest, Stager, Matson, St. John, Olympia Fields, Chicago Heights, Flossmoor, Kinley Park, Shermerville, Glenwood, Lansing, Linwood, Munster, Midlothian, Highland and Griffith. Other locations affected: First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Ileana Motor Speedway, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 3:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Sunday.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm
Sunday,
warning
June
for
23,
southeastern Cook County in
2013.
northeast Illinois, northeast